Okay. Well, welcome to the Enchanted Jedi channel, and welcome to our toy corner here. We're doing trying to make our first YouTube video here, and just thought we'd see how it goes. Kason and I really enjoy. What do you got that goofy smile on your face? We enjoy watching those videos. It's by no means going to be the most professional video that you see, but we'll learn how to do it over the long haul. We'll just see how this goes. Thank you for anybody that watches, and thank you for any likes or follows of the video. So I think what we're going to start out with is Kason was doing some chores around the house the other day.
Yes,
and
I got some Ryan's mystery guy figure, and the name is Gus.
All right, bud. So.
And it comes with a pizza gummy.
Yeah.
And he's so much he likes gummies.
Yeah. So there's several different guys that you can collect.
There's Gus, Combo, Ryan Ninja, Ryan Racer, Ryan Go Robot, and I forgot what his name was.
Mo.
And all
Kung Fu.
And the Kung Fu comes with wood, and the Racer Ryan comes with a trophy, and that one comes with like a badge. That one comes with a trailer, and that one comes with a cape, and that one comes with a pizza. That one comes with a cupcake, and that one comes with a pizza.
So just to give you all a view, this is what the back of it looks like there, and you can see the options that you have to pull out of the bag there.
And Daddy showed them the front.
Yeah. And there's what the front looks like with Ryan on the front there.
Yeah, and there's a mystery on it because you don't know what it is.
Yeah. So, all right. Well, that's cool, bud.
Yeah.
Do you like him? Does his legs and arms move good?
Yeah, they move together.
Uh-huh.
But not the arms.
Does his head move?
Yeah.
So it turns around there, so... All right.
Yeah.
That's a good first mystery toy, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, and so the next thing is I don't know if we were both watching the video the other day, but we were watching I think oh no, it was a guy by the name of the Bearded Pop Hunter on YouTube, and I forget where he's from. He does a football fantasy Funko Pop thing for their season, so everybody puts in a Funko Pop, and whoever wins at the end gets all those. And so he was opening the Ad Icon mystery pops, and I thought that was pretty cool. I'd always kind of looked past these because I just thought, what's the point in doing the mystery minis? I'd rather just have the regular pop like you see behind me. Now to tell
and some Ninja Turtles and some Star Wars.
Yeah, and good job, bud.
Yeah, and some Spider-Man stuff and some golden stuff, some Avengers.
Yeah, that's the golden ones are the patina ones, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, anyways, I haven't always been a Funko Pop collector. I've always kind of liked them, but I'm more a Star Wars Black Series guy. Haven't got into Hot Toys or anything yet. Little pricey for me, but they're cool. There's several guys I follow that are kind of my inspiration for the video to do this with Kason. We watch a guy named it's Jedi Patrol. I don't know why I'm losing my focus there. There we go. Jedi Patrol, and then Greg Cook Photography. Watch him a lot. Can't Pull Live, watch his videos a lot, just enjoy their toy hunts and different things that they do, and so we thought we'd give a stab at it and just see how we like making these videos, and hopefully y'all like them too. So I think we'll start with the Avengers. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Okay, so we got 2 mystery minis of the Avengers. And
and 2 Star Wars.
I don't know if they're... It looks like... I think it's in... Well, I don't know if it's in-game or...
Well, here.
Which one is it, bud? Is it in-game or Infinity War?
Yeah, it's in-game. It's in-game.
It's in-game?
Yeah, because look at that suit.
Oh, yeah. They've got the suits on.
Yeah.
So it's in-game, but just so y'all can see,
It's in-game.
that's what they look like.
Show them the back.
Got the sides. Just a second, bud. And then got the other side here.
And I'll tell them
And then on the back, it lists all of the guys. Just a second. Oh, you want to say who it has on there?
So guys, there's Iron Man, Captain America, and Hulk, and Thor, and who is it now? On the next one? Oh yeah, and Ant-Man, and Rocket, and Cap, and Captain Marvel, and Ronan, and Thanos, and Black Widow, and another Hulk, and Hawkeye.
Yeah.
That's all the figures.
So y'all can see what it has there. And then it lists the odds on them. So some of them are easier to pull than others. So Iron Man, one of the...
We're losing some of them on there. There's Falcon and Roll Machine and the Unicorn.
Yeah, so the Unicorn.
Yeah, those are Unicorn as measures in game.
Oh, okay.
That white thing that was in the sky. Did you see that?
I don't remember that. Okay, but it's got Iron Man. Oh. Okay. Last night we got interrupted on the video, and so hopefully I can figure out how to put the 2 videos together. So we'll see how that goes later when I'm editing it. But anyways, we were interrupted. The camera overheated or something, and it gave us a warning, and so we just shut it down for the night. But Kason was disappointed at the end of the night, and so I went ahead and let him open one of the Star Wars boxes. And so we had talked about his Ryan's Toys right here.
Yes, right here. As you can see, it's right here.
Yeah, and so we'll move on to the Star Wars. I can't remember if we were talking about the Avengers and the odds, but on
this one we have Luke Skywalker, Princess Leia, Han Solo, Chewbacca, Obi-Wan.
What are you talking about?
3 PPO, Darth Vader, Stormtrooper,
Grand Moff Tarkin,
Grand Moff Tarkin,
Greedo,
Jawa,
Walrus Man, Snaggletooth,
Hammerhead,
Hammerhead, yeah.
Hammerhead,
And I think it's a Death Trooper.
Death Trooper.
I don't know if we showed y'all last night, but that's everything on the back of the box there.
Yeah. Show them the sides.
See, there's that side and that side.
And show them the front.
There's the front right there. Now it has odds on the back, and Leia and Han Solo, no, Leia and, as Kason calls them, 3PPO, look like they're the best odds. Leia's 1 in 6. 3PPO's 1 in 8.
Yeah, and we already got Princess Leia.
Anyways, we got on the back there's Han Solo's 1 in 12, Chewbacca's 1 in 24, Luke is 1 in 36, Obi-Wan's 1 in 12, Vader is 1 in 72, Stormtrooper's 1 in 12, Grand Moff Tarkin's 1 in 24, Greedo's 1 in 24, Jawa's 1 in 36, Walrus Man's 1 in 72 also, Snaggletooth 1 in 12, Hammerhead 1 in 12, and then the Death Trooper 1 in 12. And so you can see the odds are pretty good on some of them. And, I mean, most likely to get them. But your long odds are on the Walrus Man. I think he's called Walrus Man.
Hey,
Oh yeah, it gets kind of blurry sometimes, huh? There we go. I think that's better. I hope the video's good. We have some air blowing tonight. Hopefully it won't overheat. So I hope that sound isn't too bad and y'all can hear us good. And like I said on the first part, you know, this is all just we'll practice and learn with this thing and get the sound better and videos better over time. Anyways, so Vader's the one we want in this.
Yes.
And I'll go ahead and let my little Padawan here open it up and show y'all what he got in there.
What's filling there? What do you think it is?
What do I think it is?
Yeah.
I hope it's Darth Vader.
I think it's okay, I already opened it. Got Princess Ray, and I would say I think it will be Han Solo
Yeah.
and Solo.
Okay.
Okay, as we have is, so you can see, is Princess Leia right there.
Yeah, with her gun, huh?
Yes. And the black gun right there. Now what do we do with it? Let's put it back in.
You know, it's just, I'm sure y'all have seen them 100 times, but it's the little mystery minis, has a little wiggle to the head, you know, a little bobblehead there. So, I'm guessing, so this is the first Star Wars Leia
Yes.
with that white gown.
Yes.
That's what I would guess.
I'm
So
going to show
let's-
her the sides and the back. So as you can see, there's the back. There's one of the sides. There's the other side.
Yeah, good job, bud. Okay, we'll set that there.
Yeah.
Go ahead and move the box out of our way.
Yes.
And I think we're going to move on and do one of the Avengers boxes.
Yeah.
We had shared the odds and some of the characters last night, I believe. Do you want to tell them who's on there again before we open?
No, they are. Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Just real quick.
Okay, so as you can see, there's Iron Man, Captain America,
Uh-huh. Hulk and Thor,
Hulk and Thor,
Ant-Man and Rocket Raccoon,
Ant-Man and Rocket Raccoon,
Captain Marvel and Ronan,
Captain Marvel and Ronan,
and who's the big mean guy?
Thanos,
Yeah. Black Widow.
Black Widow, Hulk, and Hawkeye.
Yeah.
As you can see again, there's the figures.
All right, so let me see it. So your long odds are going to be Hulk and Hawkeye, and it looks like Black Widow, Hawkeye, and Hulk, those three. There's two different Hulks, but that one in particular are exclusives.
Okay, can I open it?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're opening it now.
And we got both of these at Walmart.
Yes.
So I'm guessing they're exclusive to Walmart. I guess that's what that means. I'm not real sure on that.
You open it.
Need help?
Okay.
Good.
Thank you. So, guys, we're opening it.
You want help with that?
Wait, yeah. Yeah, I do. Okay. I'm gonna feel it first. I think it's Black Widow.
I think it's Black Widow.
Yeah.
Let's see.
What do you think it is?
Let me feel it.
So guys, as you can see, we're filling it, and this is our first Avengers. And we got one Star Wars token and one Avenger token. Do you think it's Captain America?
I'm not real sure, bud. I kind of think it's Black Widow too.
Okay. Okay.
Do you need help with that?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, let's see it.
Here
I
comes
think
the-
it's Black Widow or Hulk.
Here
That's
comes
what
the
it
big reveal, everybody.
Okay.
I didn't see it. I don't know if y'all saw that.
What? How did we not know with that?
Who is it, bud?
Thor Ragnarok. So, as you can see, it's Thor Ragnarok, and he has his hammer in his head, in his hand.
Is that the hammer?
And yeah, hammer. And Groot made it. Remember? In Infinity War, Groot made it. Infinity War.
Yeah, that's not the hammer. That's the other one.
Yeah, I said that. That's the
Okay.
hammer.
All right. There you go.
So he's a super wobbly head.
So.
Wait, we forgot to show them the figures on the back. What we got.
That's okay. We talked about. I think we showed them last night. But there you go. Okay. And Thor's right on top there. We've opened 2 boxes and we've got the ones you're most likely to get. And he was a 1 in 6 shot, and Leia was a 1 in 6 shot.
Put them right there.
Okay. You want to open this one now?
No, I'm opening this
You want
next.
to do this one? Okay, back to Star Wars, guys.
Okay. And you open that.
Big money.
What?
We're trying to get the worst odds or whatever. The most rare.
The most good odds.
Well, the
Like,
worst odds.
The worst
Because we want
odds.
Darth Vader.
Yeah.
So feel it. Tell me who you think it is.
Wait. Hey, I feel there's nothing in his hands. Wait, I think it's him.
You think it's a Death Trooper?
Yeah.
So he's 1 in 12.
So guys, I think it's the trooper.
Okay, so he thinks it's the bottom one, the Death Trooper.
Yes, the last one.
I don't know how to make. There you go. That's clear. Okay. So
Hey, it's blurred. Oh no, it's not. Now it's turning
I
off.
think I'm gonna tend to agree with Casey. Oh, no. Guess what?
What?
We got Darth Vader.
What?
1 in 72 shot.
How did you know that? How did you know that?
All right, let's see who we got. I'm pretty sure, bud.
No! How did you know that? How did you know that, Daddy? How did you know that?
That's cool, huh, bud?
But Daddy, how did
Hey.
you know that?
Because I can feel the face right here.
Oh.
All right, everybody. There
It's
he
Darth
is.
Vader, and he has his lightsaber in his hand. And he has a cape. Daddy, show him the back because he has a cape.
Yeah, you can see his
Cape.
cape back there.
And show him the force.
Right
There's
there.
the force on the other hand.
Yeah,
Okay, where do we put this?
it looks like he's choking a guy like that.
Yeah.
Well, we nailed it, bud. We got one of them.
Yes, Daddy, and that's the one we both wanted to get.
Yeah,
So,
that's
yay.
exciting, bud.
Can we open this
Okay.
one now?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we have enough time to finish our video. We
Do you need
guess.
help?
Yes. Usually
Okay.
it's that. Okay, there we go. Okay. Hopefully you have time. They still have water in them. Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
Let's see if we can get long odds on this one, bud. So these were the last two that they had at Walmart on the Avengers. So we had some choices with the Star Wars, but we only had 2 choices with the Avengers, and so we bought the last 2. Do you need help? You just pull it up out of here, bud. See? Yeah.
I'm gonna feel it. See, wait, are we on this? No, we're in the Avengers one.
Yeah.
Wait, Daddy, we forgot to move these.
Yeah, that's okay.
And this.
Okay. Okay, wait.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I didn't feel it yet. Who do you think it is?
I'm gonna say... I think it's Captain America.
That's the head. So hopefully there's no ears pointing up. So hopefully it's not Rocket Raccoon. I think I'm going for Captain America too.
Okay.
Dad, let's see who
Well,
it is.
We would be 2 for 2, I guess, on favorites, huh? If we got Darth Vader and Captain America, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully it is Captain America. Yeah, we guessed it right. Daddy, we guessed it right. Daddy, we guessed it right.
All right, bud.
It's Captain America.
Yeah.
Yeah, we guessed it
Okay,
right.
climb on back up here. All
Captain
right,
America.
show everybody what you got, bud.
Guys, so we guessed it right. It's Captain America.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna try the wobble head.
Yeah.
They don't really wobble.
Yeah.
Wait, Daddy, watch what I did. It wobbled.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can do Darth Vader. We can do Darth Vader and Thor Ragnarok and Captain America and Princess Leia, because he doesn't have a shield, right?
Yeah. All right, everybody. Well, we'll just end it right there, and I wanted the video to not last too long, but it's a pretty lengthy video, and hopefully we'll get better at that. But we've enjoyed doing this, and we hope you enjoy watching.
Yeah, and Captain America just fell down.
All right.
We're worried in a minute.
We hope to see you next time on Enchanted Jedi. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, and we're gonna send it somewhere.
Yeah. Okay. Tell everybody bye.
Bye, everybody.